You can set up a reminder on your Discord server. This tutorial review will guide you how to get and set up the reminder bot for Discord. So, open the reminder bot website here and click on Add to your server. Select the server where you want to add the reminder bot. And ensure that you are not a robot. Now go to your Discord server and make sure the reminder bot has added to your server. Once the reminder bot added to the server, it's time to add a reminder. To do that, use this command /remind and click on this command. Comes from remind bot, and here enter the time. (10:25) and here we can see the reminder has been successfully set. So this is how we can add reminder to Discord. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.